day today. Blue skies. Good time to come and get yourself a nice new bike or get your bike fixed. Got a manic day today and a really special bike to work on, so no time like the present. Everyone, I've still got a horrible sore throat from having COVID, but today I have got quite a nice day. So first of all, I've got these to process, so there's 4 there that need sorting out, but the big highlight of the day is I get to play with this. This is a Liv Avow, start again. This is a Liv Avow and it belongs to somebody who bronze medal at the European Championships, and they've got new wheels for it which are incredible, absolutely incredible wheels, but the brakes don't fit, so I've got to sort that out today. So that'll be my first job, but the first thing is to get these out of the way so that I can crack on. So this Liv Avow has been done. We had to sort out the brakes because these new wheels were wider than the original, and as a result the brakes were very difficult to adjust. So the customer brought it in here, and so basically there's a sort of aerodynamic cowling just underneath there that needed to be, I don't know if you can see, just that needed to be removed to get to these rear brakes so we could adjust them to set them up. And now, oh, she's making a lovely noise. She's making a lovely noise. And the same with the front, we had to sort the brakes out. So these wheels have got ceramic hubs, ceramic bearings. It's DI2 as well, Integra DI2. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's being raced this weekend. So hopefully she'll do well on it. So I've just listed a bike on the website, and this thing is fully loaded. We used it as a hire bike this year, but now it's time for it to go. So if you want to get a bargain, and I mean a bargain, this one here, this Country Plus, it's got an alloy frame, 21 gears, front suspension fork, dynamo lights, rack mud guards, stand, integrated lock. I don't know if you can see it there. It's an absolute bargain. It's got a pump with it as well, gel saddle. It's been serviced to within an inch of its life. Every time it's ridden it gets serviced. It's got Schwalbe puncture resistant tyres. This bike is a bargain. Just let us know. So my next job for the day is I have to process some bikes. So the next one that's going to be done is this Falcon Tahiti. It's too rusty and too far gone to be used as to be built into a bike, as you can see, but there's a ton of parts on here. So I'm going to strip it down and get it prepped for parts. so I've just done this one, and it's really bad, so I've got off what I can. I don't want sort of rotten parts or anything, and things are in a pretty sorry state, to be fair. So I've got off what I want, and then it's just a case of cleaning them up and sorting them out. But that's one process today already. So the next one is this, well, I think it's an Apollo, but it might not be, but it's called a mountain bike. It's a very basic bike, so I'm just going to get a few bits of it, like the wheels and stuff, because again, this one is really tired. It's funny, this job, because one minute you're working on something like this, the next minute you're working on a £5,000 time trial bike, and then the next minute you're back working on one of these again. But I'll get off what I can, more salvageable, and then should be done. Not much to get off this one. It's in too bad a state. Everything's wobbly and horrible, and bearings are gone, and it's just... But I've got what I want. I've got a bell, got some cable outers, got some gear shifters. What else did we get? Some grips and stuff. Yeah, just the basic stuff really. Not a lot off this one. Too far gone, unfortunately. On to the next one. So we've got this little Piranha Atom that has got a badly buckled back wheel, so I'm gonna probably try and build this into a bike, I think, because it's quite nice and it's only the back wheel. So I found another good wheel for the back, so it's just a case of switching it up and getting it sorted. So that's the next job. Here it is, all done. It just needs to go through the pressure washing system, so that'll be tomorrow. But that's a lovely little Piranha Atom, all done. New back wheel, running beautifully. Just needs a good clean, good polish, and then that's ready to make someone very, very happy. That busy morning, I'm now going to have my lovely lunch and to go and spend an hour with my dogs. So, back from lunch, and the shop needs sorting out. So that's my goal for the rest of the day, is just to have a good tidy up, get on top of things, and just try and sort the shop out, basically, because if we're not careful, it's going to get on top of me. So that's what I'm going to do. So the workshop's a lot tidier now, ready for tomorrow. I'm just gonna get myself ready for tomorrow's day. Gonna tidy up a little bit more, but predominantly I'm gonna be doing social media, and you don't want to see that. You don't want to see social media. So I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget, we're open on Sundays 10 till 4. Come and get a bargain, and have a good evening.